to my channel, and we'll be doing a deep protein treatment on natural way. We'll be using egg, mayonnaise, yogurt and olive oil. Apply some mayonnaise in a bowl, the bowl you want to use for the mixture. Add eggs. You can use 1 egg or 2 eggs, but I use 2 eggs in my video here. Depends on the volume of your hair, that will determine the number of eggs you want to use. Provided you add you're going to add yogurt. Whisk the egg and mayonnaise properly. Ensure you whisk it properly so that the egg will not be parted in one side. Ensure you mix it and you get a fine thin. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. You can use any essential oil you have. You can use coconut oil, but I prefer to use olive oil. Now scoop some reasonable amounts of yogurt into the already made mixture. You can any type of yogurt you can use any type of yogurt. Now mix properly. Ensure you whisk it properly so that all the mixtures can be mixed properly. Now our protein mixture is ready to be applied to the hair. You can let it sit for like 30 minutes before applying it to your hair, or you can just apply it directly to your hair. Now comb out your hair properly. Ensure you comb out your hair smoothly so that when you start applying the mixture, it's going to be able to penetrate throughout your hair properly. Now make your hair into segments. You can make it into 4 sections or 3 sections. Now start applying the protein treatment generously on your hair from the roots to the tip, ensuring that you do this to all parts of your hair. Cling film or any plastic bag and wrap it around your hair. This will help to simulate it and it will help the mixture to penetrate properly into your scalp. You can also use a shower cap to further cover it. After using my cling film or plastic bag, I further use a shower cap again. That will help to promote good heat and circulation for the protein mixture that I've already done. Let this mixture stay in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes or as long as you can carry it. The longer it stays, the better. Rinse off the mixture and you are done with your protein treatment. For more hair tips, check out my friend's channel, Hair Energy Beauty.